Hey guys, today you're going to get back your printed background. You're also going to get back your printed little sheets of paper. Right? Some of you guys only did 4, some of you might have more than 4. You're also going to need to grab one black crayon. The very first thing we're going to do is we need to cut 4 of our little sheets of paper into organic shapes. Remember, an organic shape kind of looks like a blob or like spilled milk. Right? I suggest flipping your print over, and then you can just use your crayon to draw out the shape on the back so you know where to cut. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Just make sure that it takes up that entire sheet of paper. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, you only need to do 4. So after I have those drawn, now I need to cut them out. Do a nice job. Follow along those lines you drew. Remember that the lines I drew on the back. That way we don't see them when we go to glue these down. Twist and turn your scissors and your hand holding the paper. After I have all 4 shapes cut out, I can throw my scraps in the garbage. I don't need them anymore. Remember, these are organic shapes. That's what we're working on cutting out. The very last thing I need to do before gluing these onto my background is I need to make them look a little bit more like a flower. So in the center of them, I'm going to draw a circle. And then I have these little lines coming off of it. Notice how I curve them just a little bit. This makes it look like the inside of the flower. So they're just kind of curving, almost like a sun. Circle, curved lines. Don't need to be too super big. Alright, so after I've got my shapes cut out, I've drawn on the circles with the little curved lines. Very last thing I need to do is I need to glue these down. So you might want to think about where you want these to go. I usually put 1 in each corner, but maybe you want to think about where your colors are going to go. Alright, so right here I have 2 blue papers. I don't really want those next to each other, so I'm going to swap these back like that. It's okay if they overlap a little bit like this. That's fine too. They don't have to though. And we'll use dots of glue all the way around the outside of the shape. You can put a couple on the inside too if you would like. Last but not least, I got these all glued down. Flip it over, give it a nice little back rub just to make sure those flowers do not fall off. These go in the drying rack when we're all finished. Remember to cut out 4 organic shapes. Don't need any more than 4. Draw the circle with the little curved lines coming off, then glue them down, then give it a back rub. Goes on the drying rack. Clean up your spot when you're all finished.